We all have quality leads problem. Today I will show you how to generate quality leads using LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So let's dive into it without wasting time. This is my LinkedIn profile page and here is Sales Navigator icon. Click on it. Hello everyone, especially founders and B2B business owners. If you are using LinkedIn Sales Navigator but still you are not getting consistent leads or getting wrong leads or no replies, this video is for you. Watch the video till the end. Today I will show you how to filter properly and generate quality leads, not random people. Most people do one mistake. They select too many filters or wrong filters. Especially we see is there results, bad leads, no response because of wrong filters, wrong ICP, wrong targeting. That's it. So here is a some steps you will to be followed. Step 1 is choose the right account. Okay, first go to account filters. Here is a lead filters. Click on it and account filters here. Click on account filters and after that click on lead filters. Here is a company, current head count and past company, company type and company headquarters location. So first click on home and click lead filters. Same thing showing and two option is here, lead and account. Click on lead. Current company, don't need to filter this one. First filter is company headcount. Okay, company headcount. You are startup or you are learner or you are just start the company. You will target only those company who is head count is 1 to 10, 11 to 50 or 51 to 200. So I will select 11 to 50 head count. Okay, and after that I will simply go company headquarters location or company location. I will select United Arab Emirates, UAE. Okay, I already selected two filters. Company location is very important because your target country or your target specific city or area. This step is too important. And now step 2 is choose the right person. Right person means it may be founders, directors, managers. You can say what's the job roles of the person. I will target founders, founders, founder. Click founder. See, here is a result showing 3000 results are showing. When I choose founders, 3000 results showing. If I exclude this, here is a 4,90,000 results. That's huge. No need to this numbers. So that's why we need filters. So select founders and exclude all the unnecessary roles. I need only founders. Here is a 3000 founders where I will target. And after that, you can also seniority level select. I will not suggest right now. And function, you also no need to put any function over there right now. I will always suggest, do not select too many titles. Keep it simple. Head counts, place, target reason or target roles, specific roles like founder, CEO, marketing head, operation head, like that. Now it's time to move step 3. Remove bad leads. Very important step. Exclude all the unnecessary connection which is not required for your things. Like you can also exclude. Here I selected 11 to 50 head counts. If you want to, if you don't want companies with 1 to 10 employees, don't target, don't select this. This improve qualities of your leads. Okay, this is the very important step which you exclude all unnecessary leads which you are not required for your niche or ICP. Now come to fourth step, that is spot quality leads. Open a profile and check, are they active or not on LinkedIn? Don't go to profile over there. Just here is a posted on LinkedIn. 1000 founders posted recently. Just click on it and keep it active. Here you will show result 1000 only. If you shut down this, it will show 3000 results. But we don't need which found who is not active on LinkedIn. Just click on it. It will appear on only 1000 results. Now here is a persona. This is my persona. Don't need to do yours in your filters. I will also suggest connection of. Here is a first degree correction, second degree correction, and 3 degree correction. You can select all of these, but I will tell you don't select first degree correction. Only select second degree selection. It will decrease 685. It's also huge, not required. Okay, so I will do one filter also. You can exclude this one and you only select Dubai. Only Dubai. Here is a 557 results. It's also huge. I only need 50 to 100 leads so I can work on it properly. So industry, yeah, I forgot it. That's very important. Industry is very important. I always target manufacturing industry. So what's your target industry? Just select, and it will show you only 11 results. It will the game changer, because 11 results as per your requirement. Or you can increase the this result. eh, So just go here and also select third degree connection. So it will increase something, some numbers. It will 21 result. You also select first degree connection. So it will increase some more results. This is 22 results appears here, where this is all quality leads. When you work on it, it will 100% people will know you. People will, it will get some leads, and after getting leads it will convert. So that's it, today's video. I will tell you one thing. Always select active profile, okay? And the last step, save and engage. Save the lead. How? It's select all. Select all. It will show you only, okay? You select all selected. Now save to list. Save to list. Oh, oh, it's not working. Okay, you name it. Create new list. Write what do you want the name. Founder of Dubai. Dubai. Dubai city. Dubai city. You can also write some description. I will not write here. Create and save. Now comes to lead option. Here is the your list, founders of Dubai city. Click on it. Before messaging, I will recommend like one post of the connection of the selected people. Comment once, genuine comment. Don't use AI now. Then send message. Do not sell directly. Okay. Start with conversation. It will build trust, and after that, building relationship, you will get some prospect, and after that, people will know you and people will trust you. Then definitely will get some sales. And last, not the least, bonus point is Sales Navigator is not a magic tool. Your profile, message, and CTA matter more than filters. Good filter plus bad profile equal to no results. So optimize your profile. If you want my exact Sales Navigator filter setup or a profile audit, comment leads or DM me Sales Navigator. I 100% I'll guide you. Okay, so don't worry. If you want to grow your LinkedIn, if you want to grow your leads, please DM me. I will support you. I'll guide you. Thank you. Thank you for watching till the end.